How can you tell if you have a rotator cuff tear while still at home? In this video, I'll tell you how to tell if you have a rotator cuff tear in less time than it takes me to make a double espresso latte. Not all pain in the shoulder is shoulder pain. It can also be caused by all of these things. The truth is, we don't really know why each of these conditions feels like it's in your shoulder, but we do know how to tell the difference. If passive range of motion of your shoulder reproduces the pain, then the pain is coming from your shoulder. What that means is that if you relax your arm and have someone take it through a full range of motion and there's no pain, then your pain is coming from something else. There's more to the shoulder than the rotator cuff. The pain could also be from biceps tendonitis, acromioclavicular separation, arthritis, and a labral tear. All of those feel similar. So how do you know when shoulder pain is actually from a rotator cuff tear? It doesn't matter how it started. Partial or complete rotator cuff tears can be degenerative or result from an injury. However, the pain from a rotator cuff tear is often worse at night. It's an important clue if it wakes you from sleep. Also, it may feel like an ache in your shoulder and then heads into your arm, not your neck. If that's the case, then try this move. Spread your wings, flap them forward, empty the can, then hold a tray, a bigger one, and hide it behind your back. If your shoulder pain was reproduced by any of the motions that we just did, then it may be a rotator cuff tear. Most doctors recommend you first try self-care at home, but if the tear is complete, then the longer you wait, the harder it is to fix properly. So maybe give it 3 weeks, then go see your medical or chiropractic doctor. If you have a question you would like answered on Best Practice Live, click the link to our website and complete the submission form. The more information you can give us, the better we can answer your question. So please contact us and we can walk you through uploading your imaging to a secure server. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with information about your spine and joint health. Lastly, be sure to check out new episodes at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern, where we answer all your questions.